Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're diving into 20 genius Amazon household gadgets that are perfect for tiny apartments. These will save space, make life easier, and keep your home clutter-free. As always, links to all products are in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This spin mop bucket makes cleaning effortless with its hands-free wringing system and deep cleaning microfiber mop head. Designed to remove dirt, grime, and over 99% of bacteria with just water, this mop provides a streak-free shine on all hard floors. The built-in foot pedal allows for easy wringing, giving you complete control over moisture levels. The splash guard keeps water from splashing while spinning, ensuring a mess-free experience. With a telescopic handle that extends up to 51 inches, this mop offers a comfortable cleaning experience without unnecessary bending. Perfect for hardwood, tile, and laminate floors, this spin mop bucket is perfect solution for an efficient and hassle-free clean. This Lazy Susan table is the perfect solution for effortless serving and enhanced dining experiences. Designed to fit long tables, this rotating tray ensures that everyone at the table can easily access dishes, condiments, and beverages without reaching over others. Crafted with smooth 360 degrees rotation, it glides effortlessly for convenient sharing. The durable, high-quality material provides stability and longevity, while the sleek design complements any dining setup. Ideal for family dinners, gatherings, and parties, this Lazy Susan transforms your table into a more functional and enjoyable space. This glass washer brush is the ultimate solution for effortless glass cleaning. Designed with durable, high-quality bristles, it efficiently removes dirt, grease, and residue from cups, mugs, and glasses of all sizes. The strong suction base ensures stability, making it easy to clean with one hand. Perfect for home kitchens, bars, restaurants, and coffee shops, this glass washer saves time and effort, keeping your glassware spotless and crystal clear. This soap dispenser brush is designed to make dishwashing effortless and efficient. Featuring a built-in soap dispenser, it allows you to release just the right amount of soap with a simple press, reducing waste and keeping your hands clean. The ergonomic palm grip ensures a comfortable hold, while the durable bristles effectively remove grease and grime without scratching your dishes. Perfect for cleaning pots, pans, and kitchen surfaces, this all-in-one brush simplifies your daily cleaning routine. This ironing board is designed for efficiency and convenience, making laundry day easier than ever. With a spacious surface, it provides ample room for pressing clothes of all sizes, from delicate fabrics to heavy garments. The sturdy frame ensures stability, while the heat-resistant cover allows for smooth and wrinkle-free ironing. Its foldable design makes storage effortless, perfect for compact spaces. Whether you're a professional or ironing at home, this ironing board delivers durability, functionality, and ease of use in one reliable package. This over-the-sink colander is the perfect kitchen essential for effortless straining, rinsing, and draining. Designed with a durable stainless steel mesh, it ensures quick and efficient water drainage while preventing small food particles from escaping. The expandable rubber grip handles adjust to fit most sinks, providing hands-free convenience and stability. Its oval shape offers ample capacity for washing fruits, vegetables, pasta, and more. Rust-resistant and easy to clean, this colander is built for long-lasting performance in any kitchen. This rotating Lazy Susan is the ultimate organizer for your refrigerator, pantry, or countertop. Designed for effortless access, its smooth 360-degree rotation lets you reach condiments, sauces, snacks, or beverages with a simple spin, no more digging through cluttered shelves. The non-slip base provides extra stability, preventing spills and keeping everything securely in place. With a spacious design, it accommodates jars, bottles, and containers of various sizes, maximizing your storage space. This toothbrush holder is the ultimate solution for a hygienic and organized bathroom. Designed with 5 slots, it securely holds multiple toothbrushes while using advanced UV sterilization to eliminate up to 99.9% of bacteria and germs. The wall-mounted design saves space and keeps your countertop clutter-free. With an easy-to-install setup and a sleek, modern look, this toothbrush holder is perfect for families and individuals who prioritize oral hygiene. This electric spin scrubber is your ultimate cleaning companion, designed to make scrubbing effortless and efficient. Featuring a cordless, rechargeable design, this powerful shower scrubber eliminates the hassle of tangled wires, allowing you to reach every corner with ease. Equipped with multiple brush heads, it adapts to different surfaces, making it perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, floors, tiles, bathtubs, and more. The high-torque motor ensures deep cleaning with minimal effort, while the adjustable extension handle helps you tackle hard-to-reach areas without bending or straining. This jar opener is designed to make opening jars effortless, especially for seniors and those with weak hands. Featuring a strong, non-slip grip and an ergonomic design, it provides maximum leverage to twist off even the most stubborn lids with ease. Whether you're dealing with pickle jars, sauce bottles, or soda caps, this jar opener ensures a hassle-free experience. Perfect for arthritis sufferers or anyone who struggles with grip strength, it's a must-have kitchen tool for convenience and independence. This hand massager is designed to provide ultimate relaxation and relief for tired, achy hands. Featuring a cordless design, it offers the freedom to enjoy a soothing massage anywhere, anytime. With multiple massage modes and intensity levels, it gently kneads the fingers, palms, and wrists using air compression and heat therapy to improve circulation and relieve stiffness. Whether you're dealing with arthritis, carpal tunnel, or everyday hand fatigue, this hand massager delivers a spa-like experience right at home. Rechargeable and portable, it's the perfect companion for relaxation and hand care. This faucet organizer is the perfect space-saving solution to keep your sink area neat and tidy. Designed for efficiency, it combines a sponge holder, dish soap dispenser, and brush rack into one compact unit. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, it easily fits most standard faucets, ensuring stability and convenience. The open drain design helps prevent water buildup, keeping your sponges and brushes dry. Whether you need quick access to dishwashing essentials or want to declutter your kitchen sink, this multifunctional organizer is a must-have for every home. This small roll-up bag is the perfect travel companion for women who want to stay organized on the go. Designed for convenience, this compact yet spacious bag features multiple compartments to neatly store cosmetics, skincare, and toiletries. The roll-up design saves space in your luggage while keeping everything easily accessible. Crafted from durable, water-resistant materials, it ensures your essentials stay protected during travel. Whether for daily use or weekend getaways, this stylish and functional toiletry bag makes packing effortless and stress-free. This vacuum storage bag set is designed to maximize storage space while keeping your items fresh and protected. Made from high-quality, durable material, these bags provide an airtight seal to safeguard your clothes, bedding, and more from moisture, dust, and odors. The easy-to-use vacuum seal technology ensures efficient compression, reducing bulk by up to 80%, perfect for travel, seasonal storage, and organizing your home. Compatible with any standard vacuum cleaner, these space-saving bags offer a reliable and convenient solution to declutter and optimize your storage needs. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.